What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel again. It is me, of course, yours truly, the crypto enthusiast, Light Liger. Okay, enough with the cringe intro. So today I will be showing you guys how to claim your Bitcoin forks. What are forks exactly? Well, to simplify and to summarize, when a development of a certain coin goes into the direction where a portion of the community don't necessarily agree with, this has happened with Bitcoin, Ethereum, many other coins, usually these people who don't agree with the main consensus, they want to fork out from the coin. They want to continue the coin the way it was or go into kind of like a different type of a direction. That's how Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cold were basically done, or Ethereum Classic. And basically forks happen quite a lot. There's many different Bitcoins out there. And because you own Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash at a certain portion of time, this allows you to basically claim money. There's basically a snapshot of the blockchain, how much every address owned money. If you own 5 Bitcoin at this certain date, you are entitled to get this certain amount of coins of this new fork. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of places where you can claim these coins. We're going to be starting with Exodus, and reason why, because I think it's probably the safest way out of all, because you hold your keys and everything like that in this platform. So what we're going to be doing is Ctrl-Shift-D. This allows us to basically open the developer, and we can go to Assets, and we can go to Bitcoin, and this allows us to sweep for Bitcoin Cash. And basically click OK, and it searches, and it doesn't find anything because I didn't own Bitcoin prior to the fork that happened. You can search for the exact dates yourself, and that's why a lot of people are actually buying these old Bitcoin accounts, because they want to sweep it for Bitcoin Cash and other things. And that's there's also a sweep for Bitcoin. Didn't find anything there. Let's go for a sweep for Bitcoin SV. Let's do, okay, there's nothing for there. And I actually did that already in this, so you don't actually see that, but it did own some Bitcoin Cash, so I was able to pre-fork Bitcoin Cash. And okay. And now we're going to be looking for Bitcoin Cash. And we didn't have anything. And there's also Bitcoin SV, and there's also Bitcoin Cold in this one. So basically we have 134 different Bitcoins that you can claim through Exodus. Obviously there's a lot more of Bitcoin coins, so that's why we have to go into another service. This is called the Magnum cryptocurrency wallet. It is SSL verified site. There's also some type of a protection algorithm that they were using. I don't remember what that is right now, but I already have an account. And basically what you can do here is I have imported my Ethereum and my Bitcoin wallet private keys to this wallet. Obviously there's always a security risk of using your private keys on another site, but I haven't been robbed yet. Okay, so basically in this airdrop system, it scans, they support quite many forks right now. There's micro Bitcoin, and this is something that I claimed, actually, the micro Bitcoin through my Bitcoin address. And we have Bitcoin Private, and I do want to say Bitcoin Private is what I would deem as a scam. It has been delisted from many websites. So if you own it right now, sell it, dump it. This is a scam. There was some privacy risk. I mean, do your own research. That's what I've been reading. But Bitcoin Private is a scam. And basically, we are able to airdrops available. Okay, claim airdrop. And basically, it checks your Bitcoin address, all the things. You can import like 5 different Bitcoin addresses to the service. And we'll check airdrops. Okay, we have nothing here. Do we have Bitcoin SV? Obviously, I've scanned already all of these. There's Anon. There's also Ethereum, Bitcoin X. This I actually haven't looked into. Do we have something of worth? No, because that's a timeline that I probably didn't have anything. And there's the ratio, how much you get. And once you have claimed the airdrops, you're basically able to... Oh, actually, I have to do this. I have actually some Litecoin. I could maybe show the process of here in the screen right now. I'm going to put this off screen. So I'm going to be getting my... well, I just can blur it out, actually. So what we're going to be going through is going to be going through the assets, Litecoin, view private keys. Yes, I'm sure. And okay, there's this password screen, which is appearing on my other monitor. I'm going to unlock now. And here we have... It actually shows me like 3 addresses for some reason, but whatever. We go to wallets. Where do we import? Nope. Okay. Sorry about that one. Settings. At wallet. I'm going to build Litecoin here. And with a private key, here we go. And we put our password, import. And we're going to put a backup there. And what we're going to be doing next is going back to the airdrops. Show more. Claim airdrop of Litecoin Cash. Voila. You see that? Litecoin 0.01. That's nothing. But I'm going to still claim it. And I think it should be... Here we go. Here it is. And I can send it now to somewhere I want to. And this is a great service because I think it's a lot more secure than downloading some shady Bitcoin new wallets, which are like forks and everything like that. What I need you to do is, or what I recommend you to do, is basically to send the Bitcoins to another address and then claim the fork. So this is the most secure way to do it. And 2 services I'm still going to be showing you is bitcoindiv.com. This will show you upcoming dividends and upcoming, forks that are going to happen and when you can claim them. There are a lot of things and old things. Some of them will expire, some of them will last forever. And basically, Bitcoin Pizza, these are probably some trash coins. I mean, some of them maybe amount to something. And basically, the Magnum is a pretty good way because they're going to be supporting things other than Bitcoin. There's not really a lot of good articles basically about this whole process of... and there's also another place where we can show, where you can paste your Bitcoin address and then it will show you, is there some like basically coins. But the problem with this service is that if the address has more than 30 transactions, it can't somehow scan it, which is ridiculous. But basically... once again, this is a not SSL secure server, and neither is this one. So basically, these are not the most secure sites. Magnum is a secure site, as you can see. So Magnum is probably the best way to do it. They don't support absolutely all the coins here, but I think that they are probably the most secure option out of everyone out there. And that's pretty much my video about how to claim forks. Hopefully this is a good one, and obviously this is a very important thing. If you obviously own money at an exchange, you don't own the private keys, you can't do nothing about that. But there's still a lot of money to be made. If you owned like 1 Bitcoin at 2017, you can make actually a lot of Bitcoin Gold or Bitcoin Cash because of that, okay? So just so you know. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the forks or how to do this or that, I'm going to be helping you much as I can on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Cheers.